What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a package. And what it is an iPhone 6 screen replacement. Because I have an iPhone 6 that's like completely shattered. It's in very bad condition right now. And I bought a screen replacement to do like a little DIY activity on this channel. So in today's video, I will be doing like a full screen replacement. Most of it's gonna be sped up just because this video would be very long if I kept it in regular speed. But I'm definitely gonna go through the steps and just show you the process of me attempting to do a screen replacement. I've never done anything like this before, so this is my first time and I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get into the screen replacement. Okay, so here's the iPhone 6. It's in the gold color. And that's what the screen looks like. It's like really shattered, like terribly shattered. But despite all that, it still turns on. And the touchscreen, like it still works. You can actually use this phone even in the condition it's in. So I'm gonna power it on and just show you a little bit of the phone as it is before we get into the whole screen replacement. Okay, so here's the phone. It still works somehow. Like I can still do a bunch of things on it. I can type and like search for an app. Boom, pops up. So despite the condition it's in, it still works, which is crazy. I can go into the camera, but the front facing camera isn't terrible. See, look at that. But it's also an iPhone 6, so camera quality isn't even gonna be the best to begin with. So let me power the phone back off because we can't have it powered on while we are in the middle of repairing it. So now we have the actual kit. Just gonna open that up. Oh my gosh, look at the adhesive. It's like very sticky. But anyways, let's get everything out of the package. Okay. Oh my. Okay. So we have our tools that we're gonna need for this. And then we have the screen protector, the screen replacement. So before I open anything, I'm going to, I'm gonna open this bag. Okay, so I'm not seeing any instruction here. There was no paper to tell me how to do this, which is really concerning because, you know, I can't be clueless when I'm trying to repair a whole phone. But here's the screen replacement. It looks really nice. Oh. Like brand new. It's really nice looking. Yeah, I like it. So there's always that chance where this ends up being a fail, but I'm really hoping it's not this video. So I kind of have an idea of how to do this just because, you know, it's a screen replacement. We have to get this screen off, obviously. So right off the bat, something down here is not allowing us to unscrew or take off the screen. Now let's see if this whole screen will come out now. Oh, wow. Okay, this is getting interesting. So now let me look at this screen. Okay, so it's opened up. This screen. What's being connected? I need to figure that out. Something connecting here, so I'm gonna unscrew that. See where it takes me. Okay, now let me lift that up. See what it does. Okay, good. So this part, oh my gosh, we took off the broken screen. Wow, we really did that. I'm actually very proud of myself for being able to do that. Now, we need to do this connecting back on with this new screen. Okay, so after a whole bunch of trial and error, I got it screwed in. So now we're going to actually connect it. It should just snap in, right? Well, let's see. This. Okay. Oh my gosh. If this works, I'm going to be ecstatic. And then there's another 2 screws that go here. Okay, so now is the moment of truth. Will this turn on? Will it work? It looks really good, but you know, things can look good all the time and they don't work, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's on. But now we need to know if the touchscreen and everything works. It works. Everything works. Holy cow. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Let me take this off. Ooh, ASMR. It actually works. I think it did say something about Touch ID not working though. But I'd rather have a fully functioning phone than, and the home button works. It's a lot like not as premium feeling, but the fact that we even have this working is amazing. So let me go to Touch ID. Okay, let's see what happens when we try to add something. Okay, unable. So, something in this setup of the device, we're not able to use Touch ID. Now, personally, I'm kind of fine with this because, you know, it took me so long just to get this phone to work. So the fact that I was able to do this, I'm completely satisfied with. It's much better than, yeah, this. So we have a working iPhone 6 now. This is something I was really scared to do this video just because I was scared that I was gonna fail and not be able to even have a working phone anymore, but you know, it didn't come with any real instruction, but I was able to find out how to get it going and working. So I'm not disappointed with no Touch ID. Let's see how it lines up with the camera. Okay, back camera is never gonna improve, but front facing camera, it's a lot clearer. Like, I can actually use this phone if I wanted to. Probably wouldn't, but you know, it could be like a little, just an extra phone that's there if I ever wanted to use it. As you can tell, it's nowhere near the recent iPhone iOS updates, but wow. Okay, so I have successfully completed a screen replacement. You know, I slapped on one of the cases I have and put it on the phone just to make it look a little nice. But the fact that it's completed, although Touch ID does not work, it's not really my biggest concern. The phone itself works. I can do whatever I want on it. It's a working phone again. And I want to thank you guys who finished the video, stayed till the end, watched, see the final result. This took me quite a while to film, but it didn't feel like a lot of work necessarily. You know, I was just struggling a little bit on that one part, which you'll probably know which part I was talking about. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.